Heading out this morning to go down below to the Switchback Trail and do a test hole down there. I'm going to dig a hole or two just to see what's below the surface. And as I was walking out the door, kind of looked up at the sky and was a little bit surprised. So I got a bit of a start on this before I started filming, but doesn't look like this hole's going to be very good for anything. It's about between 1 foot and 2 foot before you hit cap rock, which this whole area is kind of famous for, and not really a good place to build a house or anything. We thought this little valley might be a good place for one of the granddaughters to build a house, but not sure that's going to work out. And of course, one of the major concerns for this area to build anything on is you have to have a septic system, and you can't have it real close to natural drainage, which right behind the excavator is a natural drainage. You have to be usually in excess of, I think, 100 feet or 150 feet from any natural drainages. So engineering a septic system for this area might be troublesome. So a quick look and time to cover it back up. So I went on and I dug 2 more holes in this area, in different areas of the little park right here. And I didn't film it, but come out with the same conclusion in all 3 holes. It's about 1 foot to 2 foot below the surface, and make it pretty difficult without drilling and blasting to put any kind of a sewer line down through here. And not only that, you have to have a water system. So it's going to be a little problematic to put anything in here, and costly.